Assalamu alaikum. I am Engineer Muhammad Mustafa Javed. Welcome to the presentation of Karigar Engineer Technologies, learning Delta PLC programming with MD Mustafa Javed. Dear viewers, today I'll show you how to write automatic on-off timer for Delta PLC. To write the automatic on-off timer program, at first I open Delta PLC software WPLSoft. I double-clicked on WPLSoft and waiting for opening the software. The WPLSoft is open. Here I see a previous program. I closed the window previous program. Then I clicked on new project. Clicked yes. I write a program title as a timer. Also write file name as timer. And then clicked OK. Here I see two windows are appeared. I write the program on ladder logic so that I closed instruction mode window. Now I am going to write down the program. At first I take one normally open contact LDX0. This is the normally open contact at input X0. Then I will take a certain instruction for M0 memory bit. Then I will take again another normally open contact which is LD M0. Then I will take a timer which is T0, and I set the time for that timer T0 of 50 milliseconds. That means after 50 milliseconds the timer is on. Now I take a vertical line for another timer T1. I write down the instruction for timer T1, and the timer T1 is on after 100 milliseconds. That means 10 seconds. Now I have to take a normally closed contact LDI T1 between the timer and normally open contact M0. Now I'm taking a normally open contact at input X1 for a reset instruction RST M0. That means when X1 on, M0 bit will reset. Another normally open contact LDT0 which is dependent on timer T0 has been taken for the output Y0. Our program has been finished, and now I compile the program. After compiling, I simulate the program by click on online simulation. Then I click online mode, yes. Then I click on run icon, run PLC, yes. Our program is in online mode. Now I set on X0. When I set on X0, memory bit M0 is on, and as well as timer has started to counting. After 50 milliseconds, when T0 is on, Y0 is on, and the Y0 is on for 5 seconds until the T1 is on. When I set on X1, then the program will reset, and to run the program X0 has to be set. Run the program S0 has to be set. Dear viewers, today you have watched how to write the instruction for automatic on-off timer. If my tutorial seems good to you, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Allah Hafiz.